Dogs on TV.
Take the eyes and nose
Head, shoulders,
and
knees and toes.
Is that Abby on TV? Where's Doodles? You say, oh, Doodles.
Oh, cow doggy.
Oh, cow doggy. How about oh, cowboy?
Oh, cowboy.
Oh, Doodles.
Cowboy.
Oh, Mickey Mouse.
Mouse.
Oh, Donald Duck.
Oh, Leo.
Can you say Donald Duck?
Guck.
Go Guck. All right. Mickey Mouse and Donald Duck.
Gone.
Was it gone?
Yeah.
Would you like some more?
More.
Please?
More, please.
Good words. More what? More water?
More water.
Please?
More water. More water. More water. From the sea. Yeah,
Oh, Reese?
Down by the sea? What does your duck say?
Kagak. Kagak.
What does your goose say? Where's your goose? Where is he? Oh, I see goose. Where is he?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's giraffe. Oh, what's that? For Daddy? Oh, thank you. It's a magnet. You said magnet?
Magnet.
Magnet. Can you put it on the fridge?
It sticks on the fridge. Oh, that's your fridge. Good try. It doesn't quite stick to your fridge. It sticks to the one in the kitchen.